Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our channel pvaishali's mathematics classes. My name is Vaishali Phulari. We are studying a chapter from the 9th standard CBSE board. The chapter name is the Polynomials. In that we are studying the last exercise. The last exercise is the 2.4. Till now we solved the question number 13. Now it's time to solve the question number 14 and we will complete this exercise in this video. And chapter 2. Given is minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. What's the question here? Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Here, some cubes are given to us. The numbers cubes are given to us, but here we should not calculate the cube of them. Then how is it possible without calculating the cubes? How can we get the answer of this? If you remember the question number 13, there we learned if x plus y plus z equals to 0, we solve this problem. If x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube can be written as 3x, y and z. Let us check whether x plus y plus z is equals to 0 or not. If this is true, in that case only we can use this formula, otherwise not. Let us check. Minus 12. Here x is equals to minus 12, y is equals to 7 and z is equals to 5. We have to take. Let us add these numbers and whether we will get 0 or not. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 7 gives minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is the 0. Means x plus y plus z is the 0. Means we can use this formula. X cube is the minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equals to 3xyz. 3 into x is the minus 12 into y is 7 into 5. 3 into minus 12 minus 36 into 7 into 5 is the 35. 36 into 35, do the multiplication of this. 6 5 is a 30. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 3 6 is 18. 3 3 is a 9. Carry is the 1. Then 10. 0. 8 plus 8. 16. 1 2 6 0. This is the multiplication. Minus into plus gives the minus. 1 2 6 0. Whose value is it? Minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. In this way, without calculating the cubes, we found the result of this question. Let us solve the second bit here. 28 cube plus minus of 15 cube plus minus of 13 cube. This is also the same question. If x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then to calculate the cubes of this number, we can get 3xyz. By multiplying this, we can get the answer. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. First of all, let us check whether x plus y plus z equal to 0 or not. Here, we are going to take x is equals to 28, y is equals to minus 15 and z is equals to minus 13. 28 plus minus 15 plus of minus 13. Here 28 plus into minus is minus 15 plus into minus is minus 13. Here 28. These both numbers are having the same sign. 15 minus 13 is the minus 28, which is equals to 0. Then we can use this formula. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube can be calculated as 3 into x is 28 into y is minus 15 into z is minus 13. 28 into 15 3s are minus 45 minus 13. 28 into 15. Sorry, 45. 5 8s are 40. 0 carry 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is the 14. 4 8s are 32. 2 carry 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 0. 4 plus 2 6. 2 1. Again we have to multiply this with the 13. 13 into 0 is the 0. 13 6 are 78. 8 carries the 7. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 7 is the 33. Carry 3. 13 1s are 13. 13 plus 3 is the 16. Here minus into minus will become plus. We got 16,380. This is the result of this one. Let's solve the question number 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Here in this question, two rectangles are given to us and we are asked, we have to write the expression for the length and the breadth. Let us see how to solve this. We know that the area of a rectangle, we know the formula. What is that? Length into breadth. That is L into B, we write. Here the area is given as this one. Area equals to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. It is a quadratic equation. We know how to get the factors of a quadratic equation. How do we get the factors? By using splitting the middle term. Here, first step, we have to multiply this 25a square and the 12. 12 5s are 25a square into 12. Both are the positive. We will get the plus number here. 12 5s are 60. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 6 is the 30. 300a square we are getting. As we got the positive means we have to perform the addition. What are the factors of the 300? Many factors are there. The middle term is the 35. 15 into 20 gives us the 300. So 15 into 20. Both can be written as 15a into 20a because we should get 300a square after multiplication of this. So that 15a into 20a we will get the 300a square. Next is we have to determine the sign of these two factors. What will be the sign? We have to look for the middle term. What is the middle term? Minus. When the signs are the same, at that time we have to perform the addition operation. We know all these basic things. 15 plus 20 gives us a 35. 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Here we will take from these two terms 5a can be taken common. 5a, 5a will be remain. 5 5 is 25, a into a will be the a square. Here minus 4. 5a into minus 4 gives us the minus 20. Here what can be taken common here? 3 minus 3 can be taken common. Minus 3. 3 5 ja minus 3 4 ja. We do the multiplication inside, we should get this. Minus 3 into 5a minus 15a, right? Minus into minus plus 3 4 is 12. Yes. Here 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. This can be written. We know that area is equals to L into B. Area, we got it as 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Is it exactly L into B in that form? Yes. If you will get 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4, no problem at all. One will be the length and other will be the breadth. Length equals to 5a minus 4 and breadth is equals to 5a minus 3. Means these are the expressions that we got here for the length and the breadth. This is only asked in the question. In the same question, let us solve the second bit. Area equals to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Here also we have to get the expressions for the length and the breadth. Area of a rectangle equals to, we know the formula L into B. We have to get the expression for this. Given area equals to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. What is the first step? We have to multiply this 35y square into minus 12. Because we are going to get the expression, or we can say that the factors of this quadratic polynomial with the help of the splitting the middle term, as we did for the first question like this. 35y square into minus 12. Plus into minus is minus. 12 5s are 60. 6 is the carry. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 6 is the 42. Now, we got the negative 420. Means we have to perform the subtraction here. And after performing the subtraction, we should get positive 30. Get the factors of this 420. 2 2s are 2 1s are 0. 2 10s are 20. 1 will be remain. 2 5s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. These are the factors. Now, if we see the factors 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 7, we have to do the subtraction. 5 into 3 is the 15, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. 28 minus 15 gives us the 13. Okay, but we have to determine the sign. What should we get? We should get the positive 13. Means this 28 should be plus and 15 should be minus. 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. From these two, we can take 7y common. After taking the 7y, 7 5s are 35 and y will be remain 7 4s are plus 4 will come. Here we need to take both are divisible by the 3. We can take minus 3 common because here is also minus, here is also minus. We can take minus common from it, so that 3 5s are plus 3 4s are. 5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3. We got the area is equals to L into B. We can write, therefore, the expression for the length equals to 5y plus 4 and the breadth is 7y minus 3. These are the expressions of length and the breadth. It is one possible expression. Let's solve the question number 16. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below? We know the volume of a cuboid. Do you know the formula of the volume of a cuboid? You learnt in 8th standard also. We will revise it. Volume of a cuboid is LBH. L into B into H. This is a solid shape. Volume of a cuboid, the formula is LBH. Given volume is equal to 3x square minus 12x. Here also we have to get the possible expression for the length, breadth and the height here. If we will take 3x common from these two terms, then here x will be remain minus 4. Now, if you observe this volume is equals to, it is in the form of L into B into H. So, this is the possible expression. Either you can write volume is equals to 3 into x minus 4, or you can also determine length, breadth and the height. But we don't know what are the measurements of the length, breadth and height from these three exactly. That's why you can leave it as it is. Let us solve the last question of this exercise. We'll use the same formula because this is also the cuboid volume is given. Volume of a cuboid equals to LBH. L into B into H. So, given volume is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. In each and every term, there is a factor of the 4, and one more thing, k is also common for these three terms. Let us take 4k common here. 4 3s are 12, k has gone, then y square plus 4 2s are 8, y will be remain minus 4 5s are 20. Okay, now 4k into 3y square plus 2y minus 5. This is in the form of a quadratic equation, means here we can get the two factors. Here you should not take here as the L into B into H. No, because here y square is having the two factors. We discussed this. The factors are based on their degree. Means here we will get the two factors. 4k will be the one factor here. 4k into 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Minus 15 y square. We are getting the negative, means we have to perform the subtraction. Again 3 5 are 5 minus 3 is the 2, but 5 should be positive and 3 should be negative. 3y square plus 5y minus 2y minus 5. 5 minus, sorry, 5 3 is a 15. Here, sorry, the factors are 5y and the 3y, not the 2y. 4k into we can take y common here. We'll take y common, then 3y plus 5 will be remain. Next from here, minus 1 can be taken common here. Minus 1, then here will be 3y plus 5. 4k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. Here we can say that 4k, 3y plus 5, y minus 1. These are the three possible expressions for the given volume of a cuboid. You can take one expression as the length, another will be the breadth, and third one will be the height. And the values are not determined, so that's why you can keep this expression as it is. In this way, we solve all the exercises from this chapter polynomial. This was the chapter number 2, polynomials. We will see you soon in the next video. Thank you.